teach Forex, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I no longer teach Forex. I no longer teach how to trade. Whoever who was offered my services, congratulations to them. I no longer teach Forex. I no longer teach Forex. Evils Gold no longer teaches Forex. We don't teach Forex no more. Boring NFP. Boring NFP. NFP was boring. No major movement. If you ever got a chance to be taught by me how to trade Forex, congratulations. If you never got that chance, continue with your mentors. Congratulations. Continue with your mentors. South African mentors are the best in the whole world, bruh. But listen to them, but don't listen to them too much. Listen to what they teach, but don't listen to them too much. Whoever who says don't go against the trend, block that person. Block that person. Why you left vote markets? Because they always say off codes. I cannot be promoting what I do not trade with. It's just how it is, bro. Just how it is, bro. Using the 3.0, you good. Even when you're gonna get the 4.0, you good. Because we're gonna give the best causes as always and do mentorship. But classes, no more teaching, no more teaching. I learned a lot from you, bro. Thank you so much, man. If you learned a lot from me, thank you. Thank you. Guys, gold is selling. I think people who took my signal, they're in profits now, but I'm not happy with the movement. I didn't even tell them to close because I know gold was supposed to sell, but this NFP was cag. And if the NFP can be like this, do not trade the CPI. Fine, let's trade the CPI, but I'm very much skeptical as to what's gonna happen on the CPI. Let's check DXY currently and see what's happening. Let me check DXY for you. Yeah, DXY had to buy. I was ready for the buys at DXY. It had to buy. I mean, like it was on my support structure. My advice to you, technical analysis works. That's my advice to you. Technical analysis works. Clean, pure technical analysis works. Do not confuse yourself, bruh. Do not confuse yourself. And stop trading with those mentors of yours who use Galaxy S5, Galaxy J1. Like, how can I be motivated by your trades if the screenshot is Galaxy J5? I need motivation. I need motivation. Give me some motivation. If you're my mentor, give me some motivation. Okay, gold is selling like a bitch, but not that good. Selling, but not that good. It's selling. Let me see who wants to speak to me. Let me add someone who wants to speak to me for a few minutes. Send me a request to speak to me for a few minutes. Then I go. Yo, 44 requests. Hey, you guys. 4 requests. Damn, that's a lot of requests. Let me accept this guy. Let me see. I gave GBP USD as well. Let me see what's happening. GBP USD. What up, bro?
Yes.
Yeah. Dinta.
Huh?
Dinta.
Can I ask about?
So many requests. I have like 58 requests. Pick 2 at least. No, I cannot pick more, man. I cannot pick more. Guys, this cap is fire. Look at this cap. Yo, it's fire, bro. It's fire. Look at this. Ish. Fire cap, bro. It's fire, bro. It's fire. It's fire. It's fire. It's fire. selling. Gold is selling. Hey, gold is selling. Hey, gold is selling. Hey, gold is selling. Baby, I'm hearing a nice smell here. I'm hearing a nice smell. What are you cooking, babe? I'm hearing a nice smell. Baby, I'm hearing a nice smell. I'm at the office here. I'm hearing a nice smell from downstairs. Baby, there's a nice smell I'm hearing from downstairs. Baby, what are you cooking? Hey, baby, the smell is coming to the office. Hey. My baby is no longer here. You will never regret joining FSCO. Trust me. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. You'll never regret because it's the team of the winners. Mentors who really care about their clients. Babe, I'm hearing the smell. Why would you blow? On today's signal. My baby is no longer replying. Let me go check it. I'm hearing a nice smell in this. I'm hearing a nice smell. I'm hearing a nice smell. I'm coming. Baby, where are you? I'm hearing a smell here. What's cooking in this house? I'm hearing a smell. Hide your girlfriend. They're gonna steal her. What were you doing?
I was cooking.
Yes. I'm hearing a nice smell.
Are you done?
I'm done working. NFP was boring actually. NFP was boring. Was boring. Let me just drink alcohol. Please give me. Let me just drink alcohol. I have a cider. Thank you. I was hearing a nice meal from upstairs. Back in the office. Guys, if you are trading gold with me, we're in profit. If you are trading gold with me, we're in profit. If you are trading gold with me, we're in profit. If you are trading gold with me, we're in profit. Bro, do you still offer signals? I wanted to stop, but there was a lot of guys who were asking me to continue giving off signals. So if you want my signal, just click the link on my bio right now. And it's going to take you to the link tree. And then from the link tree, you're going to get my signals for free. You're then going to start. The weekend has started, guys. NFP is over. The weekend has started. NFP is over. This is how we kill on my signals. Let me show you. This is how we kill. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I'm the king of gold. I'm the gold mafia. Gold is selling. I'm the gold mafia. I'm the king of gold. I'm the gold digger. If you're in my gold digger signals, congratulations. Ooh. Gold is selling. Gold is selling. Gold is selling. Hey, gold is selling. selling. I'm a gold mafia. Hey guys, let me go off the live so that I close some of the trades, guys. It's enough for today. Then gentlemen,